Good morning. What do we got going on today?
Skydiving!
Skydiving. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
No, and we wanted to.
Just wanted to do it.
List.
Bucket list. Well, hey, you know what? Celebrate life, right?
Yeah.
Sounds like a great day. You are absolutely fabulous. I'm going to be ready here in just a second. You ready to go get some sky time in?
Let's do it.
Sky time, here we come.
Woo.
Whee! You ready for this? Ready to have some fun? Got you flying an airplane? We want to go left, bend your left elbow. There you go.
Yeah.
All the way out. Woo-hoo. All the way out.
And then when you want to slow it down, just close. Okay.
You got a good grip, right?
Yes.
All right, let's turn left a little bit. Guess what?
Woo! Right.
Right, step on that. Up on the left. There you go. All right, you just went skydiving. Tell me, how are you feeling?
It was awesome!
You did absolutely amazing. What was your favorite part?
Probably the initial jump.
You like that
Yeah,
free
that was
fall,
cool.
huh?
That was cool.
That was sick. You absolutely killed it. You did so
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you so much for jumping with us
Thank
at Skydive
you.
Colorado Springs.
Woo!
What's
Let's
up?
go!